If you're into video, you've almost certainly heard of FFmpeg. It seems to do pretty much anything, including upscaling your videos to higher resolutions. But how well does it actually work, and when should you use it? Today, we're diving deep into FFmpeg video upscaling. At the same time, we'll also introduce you to an artificial intelligence tool that takes video upscaling to a whole new level, VidHex Video Enhancer. First, for those who are unfamiliar, FFmpeg is a free and open-source project comprising a vast collection of libraries and programs for processing video, audio, and other multimedia files. It is extremely versatile but operates through a command line interface, which means you need to enter commands rather than click buttons. For users who want to watch 1080p footage on a 4K monitor or TV, FFmpeg can help achieve this, but it's crucial to understand how it does so. Alright, let's get hands-on. To upscale a video using FFmpeg, we should know how to use its commands. Make sure FFmpeg is installed on your system. If not, a quick Google search will lead you to set up tutorials. After installation, search for CMD or PowerShell in the Start menu and launch FFmpeg on your Windows computer. Then, tap in CD and press space. You can paste the folder path that contains your source video here. For example, like this. Once done, press enter. Now set the command line like this. This is your input video name. The following part means upscaling the video to 4K or 384x to 160 pixels, using the high-quality Lanczos interpolation algorithm. The third part is to specify the H.264 video codec for good compatibility and quality. The next part is a balanced preset for encoding speed and output quality. You can try slow or very slow for potentially better quality, smaller size, but expect much longer processing times. This part sets the constant rate factor. A CRF of 23 is generally a good balance between quality and file size for H.264. Lower values, like 18, will produce higher quality but larger files. Higher values, like 28, will result in lower quality but smaller files. The following part copies the original audio track without re-encoding. This saves time and preserves audio quality. The last part is your new 4K video file name. FFmpeg will show progress in your command line window. The processing time depends on the length of your video, your computer's processing power CPU, and your previously chosen preset and CRF values. Then, you can find the result in the same directory as your input file. FFmpeg video upscaling is feasible, however, this tool also has some limitations during operation. Lack of true detail reconstruction. Potential for artifacts, especially if the source video quality is poor. It just scales but doesn't offer intelligent noise reduction, deblurring, or automatic color tone balancing. The interface design can be challenging for beginners who lack a solid understanding of its syntax and options. This is where VidHex AI comes to help. With deep learning and neural networks, this AI program enables video upscaling in various ways. Models can analyze and generate natural new details that were lost in the original low-resolution footage. VidHex not only removes noise but also preserves, or even enhances, the underlying fine details. It can automatically balance brightness, contrast, and saturation, breathing new life into dull footage. Unlike FFmpeg's interface, VidHex comes with an intuitive interface designed to finish the upscaling with just a few clicks. Here's all you need to do. Open VidHex and click the Add area at the top to import your low-quality video file. In the new editing interface, select a suitable AI model and apply it to your footage. Additionally, use the Settings button in the lower right corner to configure the output format, bitrate, resolution, and more. Click the Export All button to export your enhanced video. FFmpeg is an indispensable tool for many video tasks, and it certainly can change video resolution. But when it comes to intelligently enhancing video quality, AI-powered video enhancers like VidHex Video Enhancer are in a league of their own. Have you ever used FFmpeg for upscaling? How were the results? Let us know in the comments. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest video tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.